Oh god! What the fuck? Ooh! Oops. He really is an American Psycho. Oh god! What the fuck? I was really worried he was gonna be behind her then. In the sneakers too? In the high tops? Oh my god, he's just wearing shoes. God, why are chainsaws so unsettling to me? I can see why they had Texas Chainsaw Massacre on in the background. Oh yeah, you are fucked in the head, clinically. Oh my god, he killed her! That is a trick shot!
Oh! Run now, run! Oh! Oh! What the fuck? Oh! What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the? Oh! No!
You picked up the fucking face, you piece of shit!
My gosh! My god, what the fuck? Why is no one, answering the doors? Why is no one, she's screaming pretty hardly, I would say. Someone at least should, call the police, open the door or something. Oh my gosh, oh, it's just it. What is... Oh, he's going to drop it, he's going to drop it! He's going to drop it, he's going to drop it!
The f is wrong with this dude? Why the f did he bite her? Shut the f up. So, first off, he got 30, 40 dead bitches in the apartment just dead. So ain't nobody smell it. Okay. Then, not only she running down the hallway screaming and nobody come outside, he comes out butt naked with some New Balances and a chainsaw. And then, I don't know. What the?
No, you are kidding me.
Babe, no freaking way. No freaking way.
You gotta be. Look, he just threw some shoes on. New York Chainsaw Massacre.
I can't. You are freaking kidding me. There's no way he did that off the stairwell, babe. No way he did that off the stairway like that.
You see how perfect he is.
You can't bleach a cherude. Out of the question. Two, I can only get these sheets in Santa Fe. These are very expensive sheets, and I really need them.
If you don't shut your fucking mouth, I will kill you.
Oh shit.
Get out!
Ew, he's like killing her while having sex with her. Oh.
Are you kidding me? He is biting? Come on, get out.
Yeah, go.
Run out of the building!
I know, that'd be my fear, though. At least he is still naked.
Oh my god, you look like... I was just gonna say, you look like a psycho.
Literally.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
Go. He's gonna drop it and it's gonna kill her.
No freaking way.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Who all did he kill? Also, why has no one been like checking up on this missing man's apartment? Girl, go. Oh, I do chills again. This is the most wild shit. Oh my god, I'm like shivering right now. I'm so. Oh my god! Wow, that is haunting. Oh wow. Oh, what?
Yo, what the heck? Jeez. Yeah, this is not good. Oh my goodness. Yo. You have to be kidding me. Please get the heck out of there now. I love how this is almost like a mockery of the Texas Chainsaw scene earlier in the film. Oh, snap. Yo. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness, man.
What? Oh my god, there's women everywhere. What, nobody comes to check out the chainsaw sound in the hallway? Oh, he got her with it? Oh, shut up. What are the odds of that happening?
Not very good.
What is happening? Oh my god! What? What?
Leatherface!
I feel like this just came out of nowhere.
There's so many dead bodies. No one's around.
Just leave. Follow the exit sign.
Yeah. He's butt-ass naked running with the chainsaw.
Is this real?
No way.
No.
Wow.
That was a good aim, I guess. Is this real?
Do you think it's...
This is... Where are other people?
He said, I had enough. What the hell? He killing him! Run, go! He got a chainsaw. Why do he have tennis shoes on? He was just having sex. What the?
Shut the f***ing face, you piece of bitch trash!
Ain't nobody up. I know it's late. Somebody gotta hear this lady screaming. Oh, he got the chainsaw too. He got butt ass naked with tennis shoes. I know this is not a funny moment, but he butt naked with tennis shoes and a chainsaw. Put him on. What the? Nobody hears this? Nobody in the apartment? And he's drawing it.
Oh my god, run, girl.
Holy shit. Whoa!
Ah! Oh my god! Oh shit! Motherfucker, dude! Ah! Where did all these fucking people come from? Ah! Oh! What the fuck, dude?
You picked up the fucking face, you piece of bitch trash!
No touching or the hair or face. Holy shit.
Is he running around naked?
He
Yes,
is.
better watch it. Just flinging everywhere. You're gonna cut that thing off accidentally. What the fuck is happening? Oh my god! What the actual?
Wow. What a shot. Holy shit.
Christy didn't deserve this shit. All right? What the actual?
Wow.
Oh, he's cutting her. Run, 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 go, 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 go. Oh, shit. Where did he cut? Oh my god, he's... Run. Go! Why is no one answering their door? Why has no one come out? He's put his trainers on, Ash. Yeah, because he doesn't want to get his feet dirty. Drop it. He's going to just drop it on her. Oh my god, he's going to drop it on her head. Oh my god. And he's just drawing it. She damaged his face, didn't she?
There is an idea of a Patrick Bateman, some kind of abstraction, but there is no real me, only an entity, something illusory. And though I can hide my cold gaze, and you can shake my hand and feel flesh gripping yours, and maybe you can even sense our lifestyles are probably comparable, I simply am not there.